Who is this robot competing in Brisbane Grammar's 2026 FDC competition? Carnival. This is Cision from Team 2 the Veggies, and they're the only robot that can shoot from the drop-off zone. However, their opponents are kind of brain dead, with only pushbots competing tomorrow in the first Brisbane Grammar scrimmage. Nevertheless, they are still at a risk of getting an upset, as Team 6 and 7 are planning to create the ultimate Brain Rot Alliance. So then, comment below who you think will win.